How mobile jammer works. Have you ever wondered how mobile jammers work? In this video, we'll take a closer look at the technology behind these devices and understand how they disrupt mobile phone signals. At its core, a mobile jammer is designed to interfere with the communication between mobile phones and the cellular network. It does this by emitting radio frequency signals on the same frequency bands used by mobile phones. The jamming process begins with signal generation. Inside the jammer, there's an oscillator, or a frequency synthesizer, that produces a specific frequency signal. This signal is typically within the range of the cellular network bands. Next, the generated signal is amplified. This amplification is crucial to ensure that the jamming signal is strong enough to overpower the legitimate signals transmitted by mobile phones. Once amplified, the jamming signal is sent to one or more radiating antennas. These antennas play a vital role in transmitting the jamming signal in the desired direction, covering a specific area. As the jamming signal is transmitted, it interferes with the legitimate signals transmitted by mobile phones within its range. The jamming signal overwhelms the weak mobile signals, preventing them from reaching the cellular base stations. The result? Mobile phones within the jammer's range are unable to establish a connection with the cellular network. This means no calls, no messages, and no access to mobile data services. Thank you for watching this video on how mobile jammers work. If you found it informative, be sure to like and subscribe for more content. And remember, always use technology responsibly. It's important to note that the use of mobile jammers is generally illegal in many countries, as they disrupt public mobile communication and can interfere with critical services. They are primarily used in authorized and controlled environments where the jamming of mobile signals is permitted.